Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Access Solutions, we're gonna open and unbox a new Chromecast that I bought from Lazada. I bought it for 2,850 Philippine peso. I have a TV that isn't smart at all. By that I mean that it could not connect to the internet or download apps. So I previously had an old type of TV box that you usually connect to the internet and connect that box to the TV through HDMI port, which then enables your TV to connect to the internet, download some app, and watch movies from apps like Netflix or iWantTFC that streams movie or TV shows. Included in this box is a USB-C connector. On the other side of the USB-C is a regular USB 2. It also has a power adapter where you can connect the USB 2 or 3 to power up the device. When you buy this Chromecast, you don't have to worry about the battery because it comes with two free AAA batteries. The main unit is enclosed in this box, and you'll notice that the first thing you'll notice about it is that it's really small. I am probably used to seeing the old box that I have, which is like rectangular and huge, but this is really small and it can fit in your palm. Right away you can see that there is an HDMI connector, and it is hardwired to the main unit. I'm 100% sure that this is just gonna hang loose at the back of your TV, as opposed to the box, my previous box where it sits comfortably underneath the TV. This is gonna be plugged at the back of the TV, and it's gonna be there, hidden from the view. The last box that we're opening is the box for the remote control. Like the main unit, the remote control too is kind of smaller than regular remote control that you use on your TV. The volume controls are on the right side. The infrared LED is at the top. There is a circular navigation button. There is also the power at the bottom part. Shortcut keys for Netflix and YouTube, and the black key is for voice-enabled searching. I'm just gonna open it to put the batteries inside. Interestingly, the batteries are both aligned with their positive poles in line with each other, as opposed to other remote controls where the positive poles are in the opposite sides. So just align the batteries with both the plus signs at the top. There you can see that the power LED is now switched on, And here is the manual that is included with it. I'm just gonna open it and show you what's on the pages. Just a reminder though, when you use this for the first time, you have two options to set it up. The first option is to connect this to your Google account on your phone, and the second one is to manually connect it to your Wi-Fi network and do all the initial setups from there manually. Okay, here's the final part where we are gonna test if the apps are going to work in it. Here's the iWantTFC app, and there you go. It's running smoothly. You know, the speed of the streaming it's gonna depend on your internet connection, but as you can see here, it's quite nice. And the Netflix, yeah, it's faster than iWantTFC. This is what I noticed with it. It's more smoother. There you go. Let's try this. The wind blows. This is a Korean drama. Nice, right? Let's try YouTube. There, it's also clear and fast. You know, if you also have a app, your own server like Plex, let's try the Prime Video. This is one of my favorite app. You know, it's like cheaper than Netflix. And it also has lots of movies and Korean dramas in this. Let's try the Ring of Power. This is the series that I just watched last week ago, and one of the nicest series that you can watch in Prime Video. And if you're a fan of anime series, you can also download Crunchyroll and create an account. There you can see I can watch lots of old and new anime. Let's try Dragon Ball. Cool, right? So if you haven't watched, or if you have missed out on some of the episodes of Dragon Ball, you can watch it again here on Crunchyroll. And if you have a Plex server in your house, you can also use that, and it's gonna run smoothly in this Chromecast. Okay guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching.